Hi everyone, we're here to talk to you about how you can stay interactive on our virtual platform. I'm Emily Pritt and I'm joined with Barb Carr.
Hi.
We're going to talk to you about Whova, what it is, and how it's going to increase interaction when you're joining us at the 2021 Global TapRooT Summit. So to start, Whova is an online platform. It's got a lot of integration built into it to make virtual events feel like you're there in person. One thing we want to point out is whether you're attending the summit virtually or in person, we want everyone to use the Hoover App. Whova is where we have that integration tool. Some of the things that we can do through Whova are live Q&A, polls, chats. You can network and have one-on-one conversations going down the hallway just like you could in person. Barb, what else can we do with Whova?
Well, I think it's really exciting, and I think we can both agree that over the past year we've really had to get some great ideas on keeping up with our clients and our customers, and we've just had to do all kinds of things, and technology helps us do that. So a couple of days ago I was talking to one of our coworkers who had attended a virtual conference, and she said that she felt like she networked more on the virtual conference than she did in person, which kind of surprised me, but I'm really excited. I've not participated in a virtual conference myself, so I'm super excited about it.
Yeah, and some people are still concerned when you talk about the internet and there's security protocols and things like that. Whova is protected, it's backed, it's got security in place, especially like if you're doing one-on-one video chat conference types, which we have the ability to do that for one-on-one. It's secure, it's coming from a trusted source, the hacking and all that we don't have to worry about, and that's when we were looking for a virtual platform for the summit. We were really looking at something that we knew would align with how we do things and that would keep all of our attendees safe, their information safe. So on that note, we do want you to go into the Whova platform and upload a photo, add your name, the company you work for, bio. You're welcome to put in contact information because you never know, through networking you might want to just send your contact information over, and you can do that very quickly through the app.
Yes, and a lot of people that are attending the summit are in different time zones.
Yeah.
So, for example, daytime during the summit could be nighttime where some people that are attending or live. So you can also go back and take a look at the sessions that happened during the day while you were sleeping.
Yeah.
So even if you are not up to pulling an all-nighter, if you happen to live in Australia or somewhere else that's on the opposite time zone as us, you can still send messages and chat with people and then catch the sessions later. You don't have to be there live.
Yep.
Yeah.
And if you are live, another feature that we have in the platform is lost and found. We all know what that means. So if you lost something or you find something, you can put it, there's a particular thread just for that to help people get their things if they've misplaced them. Losing car keys and I put my folder down, where to go. So that's really helpful to have that in the community board. Within the community board, you can also ask organizers questions. You can ask us anything. And also there's a special spot in there for local attractions.
Yeah, and the summit, of course, is in Knoxville, Tennessee. And so there's a lot going on, not only in the city of Knoxville, but we're really close to the Smoky Mountains and a lot of beautiful things.
Oh, yeah, you can go up to Gatlinburg, hop in the car, maybe an hour, maybe.
Gatlinburg in June is fun. Beautiful weather,
Very nice. Lots of restaurants all around the area. There's tons of things to do. We were talking earlier about you can go to some of these museums that we have. A lot of them are free admission, very family-oriented. I know a lot of folks are down here business-wise, but some people can squeeze in a little family trip, so there is a lot to do. World's Fair Park is one, and then Market Square, and they have the fountains. I see kids playing in those fountains. They're wearing bathing suits. They're prepared. So there's a lot to do here in the local community.
We have to figure out how we could put pictures of that up for our virtual friends.
Wish you were here. So the other thing that we can do in the platform is to facilitate discussions, and there's going to be tons and tons of different thread boards throughout there. We'll have Q&A sessions. We've got keynote speakers, and then they'll have their own little chat rooms after the fact where you can ask them questions and just keep the conversations going. So we're really excited about that with this software we'll be using. And Barb, anything else you want to add?
Yeah, I think it's great. I think sometimes on a virtual platform, you feel freer to ask questions because you're sending a message through the chat. You know, where if you're in a meeting room with 200 people, sometimes it can be a little bit like, oh, I don't want to take up any more time or interrupt here. So if you're an introvert, it's the introvert's dream, you know, to be at the virtual conference. But even if you're more outgoing, I think that you will find a lot on the virtual platform here to keep you busy and engaged.
Yeah, there's a lot of value there. So don't forget, when you're joining us at the summit, whether you're in person or virtual, we want you to use this wonderful integrated platform called Whova.
Great.
We'll see you at the summit.
All right. Bye now.